Hello foodies, welcome back to Deepaks kitchen. Today I'm excited to share a truly amazing recipe that is personally loved. It's a staple in our Maratha households. We call it chicken choppies or the white chicken gravy. This isn't just ordinary chicken gravy, it's incredibly creamy and subtle and mild flavors that perfectly complements the natural taste of the chicken. Kids will absolutely love it. Let's dive right into the secret behind this restaurant style white chicken gravy and let's see how to make. These are the ingredients required for this recipe. Take a screenshot if you want. Let's start with the marination. I have taken about a half a kilogram or 500 grams of medium cut chicken, thoroughly washed with a bit of salt and turmeric. To this, add half a cup of thick curd or yogurt and a half a teaspoon of freshly ground ginger garlic paste and a half a teaspoon of crushed black pepper and about a quarter teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well and let this marinate for about at least 30 minutes to absorb all those delicious flavors. Now let's make that secret masala. Now for our secret masala, in a mixie jar, combine a half a cup of freshly grated coconut and a 1 inch of cinnamon, a 5 green cardamom and a 5 cloves, and main importantly a 4 cashew nuts, whole cashew nuts. These add that perfect body and richness to our gravy. Grind everything into a super smooth fine paste. This fine texture is key to getting that restaurant style finish. Now the masala is ready. Let's keep this aside. Now let's see how to cook this. In a large heavy bottomed pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil and ghee is hot, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 4 long slit green chilies and 1 sliced onions. And add a pinch of salt. Now, the trick here is to saute the onions only until they are soft and translucent. Do not let them brown, as we want to maintain the beautiful white color of the gravy. Once the onions are soft, now add the remaining half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and saute until another 1 minute until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away. Now add the marinated chicken and cook on low to medium heat. Notice how it's starting to look creamy already without any change in color. Next, add a half a teaspoon of coriander powder and another half a teaspoon of black pepper. For that extra creaminess, pour in 1 cup of fresh coconut milk. Make sure it's the first extract. Now give it a good final mix. Once it starts boiling, cover the lid and cook on a high heat for about 10 minutes. You'll start to smell that incredible aroma. Now look, the chicken is perfectly done. The chicken should be about 50% cooked by now. At this stage, add our secret ground masala paste. Mix everything thoroughly and let it come to a boil. Now look, when it's boiling, now for the final touches, add 2 to 3 pinches of kasuri methi, that's dry fenugreek leaves. Cover the lid again and let it simmer on low heat for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you see the magic happen. The ghee and oil have risen to the top and the gravy is incredibly rich and flavorful. And there you have it. The perfectly creamy and delicious chicken choppies or the white chicken gravy is ready. It's mild yet packed with authentic tastes of chicken. This pairs beautifully with roti, chapati, naan, or even dosa. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe to Deepak's Kitchen. It's completely free and really helps support the channel. Like, share this video with your fellow foodies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, this is Deepak Kshatriya signing off, and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Namaskara.